Here we have the KüchenBau Air Fryer, designed for healthy and convenient everyday cooking. When the machine is turned on, the full digital display lights up, making all controls easy to understand. The air fryer is designed for simple touch-based operation, allowing you to adjust time and temperature with ease. The temperature can be set from 80 to 200 degrees Celsius, and the timer can be adjusted up to 60 minutes, depending on your cooking requirement. This is the 6-liter air fryer basket, providing ample space for family-sized portions. Now, we place the food into the basket and slide it back into the air fryer. Once started, you can monitor the cooking process through the see-through window without opening the basket. Halfway through cooking, the food can be shaken to ensure even results. The result is food that is crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and cooked with little to no oil. Manual cooking is also easy. Simply set the desired time and temperature and let the air fryer do the rest. This is smart, healthy cooking made effortless with the KüchenBau Air Fryer.